You've got the perfect product or service, your customers are loving it, but are you leaving money on the table because accepting payments isn't as fast or seamless as it could be? Think about it. In today's digital world, no one wants to fumble for cash or wait for a slow card reader. Your customers are already using Venmo for practically everything, and if you're not accepting it quickly and easily, you're creating friction at the point of sale. That's where the Venmo QR code comes in. It's fast, professional, and lets customers pay in seconds right from their phone. If you're running a small business, a pop-up, a food truck, or even just selling things locally, setting up a Venmo business profile QR code is one of the easiest ways to instantly upgrade your payment game. So, how do you actually set up this game-changing QR code for your business? Let's dive right in. The first and most crucial step is making sure you have a Venmo business profile. This isn't the same as your personal account. A business profile is essential because it keeps your business and personal transactions separate for easy tracking, taxes, and gives you access to crucial business features like the QR code. If you don't have one yet, it's simple. Open the Venmo app, go to the Me tab, and tap Create a Business Profile. Follow the prompts, enter your business details, and you're good to go. Once your business profile is active, generating the QR code is straightforward. Step 1. From the main Venmo screen, tap the scan icon. It looks like a QR code scanner in the top right corner. Step 2. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a tab labeled My Codes. Tap on that. Step 3. Here you'll see your personal QR code, but crucially, you'll also see an option to switch to your business profile's QR code. Select your business profile. Step 4. The app will display your unique business profile QR code. At the bottom of this screen, you'll find the option to share or save image. You want to save image to your phone's photo library. Now you have the image, but the job's not done yet. The final step is implementation. You need to make this QR code instantly visible and scannable for your customers. For a physical location, print the saved image clearly. Laminate it and place it prominently next to your register, on your food truck window, or on the front of your market stall. Make sure it's sized correctly so a phone camera can easily read it from a foot or two away. For online or remote selling, you can include the QR code image in your digital invoices or even on the thank you page of your website. When a customer is ready to pay, all they do is open their Venmo app, tap the scan icon, and point their camera at your printed code. Your business name and payment field will pop up instantly, making the transaction a breeze for them and for you. It's a cleaner, faster experience that makes your business look professional and modern. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.